Hello mga friendship! So, this is the chicken feet that I ordered last time in Philippine store. Ayan siya, bali medyo marami din ang laman niya sa loob. And then, I'm gonna cook this today. Okay? Wait. So, after a few minutes, ayan na po ang aking chicken feet. Naluto na siya. I cook it like adobo. So, medyo nalabog siya kasi nilagay ko siya sa pressure cooker. And, alam niyo ba na maraming benefits ang chicken feet? Okay, so, let's go to find out what are the benefits of this chicken feet.
Benefits of chicken feet. They contain 20% of protein and 70% of it is collagen. Collagen intake may improve the hydration, elasticity, and density of your skin. The collagen in chicken feet may also relieve joint pain. A clinical study concluded that the daily dose of collagen derived from chicken significantly reduced markers of pain, stiffness, and physical dysfunction. Collagen intake may improve bone formation and density. A clinical study found that collagen increased bone mineral density and synthesis, while decreasing bone degradation. So I am
Ayan, kain tayo
I'm
mga
a friendship.
friendship. Kain
Kind I
tayo
now
ng
chicken feet.
chicken feet.
Turn up on.
So,
Soy
ayan,
and the
dahil may
My
chicken feet
chicken feet
tayo,
I ordered in
order din
one.
ako ng
A
and
doubled
W
with beer last time, right?
Oh. Excuse me, Andy,
Excuse me,
sponsor
Andy
ko.
sponsored though.
I'm not sponsoring
this.
Siyempre,
Shampoo
masarap
was
ito.
set up the bar
Made
made with
with beer.
beer.
Kain po tayo. Very soft na po siya kasi nilagay ko siya sa pressure cooker. Kaya parang ano ka na lang yung ahas na lumulon ng kahit anong tapos niluwa mo na lang yung puro buto. Mahilig po ba kayong kumain ng chicken feet? Ako kasi mahilig akong kumain ito. Pero,
Pedro.
kahit na sobrang mura lang nito dyan sa atin, eh dito sobrang mahal. Kaya,
Yeah,
once in a blue moon na lang din ako makatikim nito. Andito
And it
kasi
was
sa
a
Japan, hindi
Indiana
nagbibenta ng
banned
mga
animal
chicken feet.
feet.
Wala ka pong makikita dito ng mga chicken feet or
you
yung
fat boy.
kahit po yung baboy. Wala ka pong makikita ng baboy na may may balat dito. Siguro sa ibang market meron, pero napakadalang. Kumain na po kayo nito, lalo na sa mga babae. Free collagen. Narinig nyo naman po kanina, di ba? Napakarami nitong benefits. Try nyo kumain po kayo nito lagi. Kahit araw-arawin nyo, masarap naman siya. Hindi naman siya hindi siya nakakasawang kainin. Diba?
Goodbye,
Masarap din yung ulam.
Set up the logo non-stop.
Non-stop. May mabibilan nga lang nito dito araw-araw akong kakain. Hindi na ako bibili ng
No collagen. Ready to take anything to not be bullied into that. But also I'm going to be blended on a chicken.
Walang nabibilan dito ng chicken feet. Kung meron sana mga taga-Japan dito, mga Pilipinang nandito sa Japan, comment down below kung meron po tayong mabibilan ng mga chicken feet dito sa supermarket.
Thanks for watching. follow for more videos.